Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In areas with 7-day night street sweeping, mostly commercial areas, street cleaning is suspended only on the 3 holidays: New Year's Day, Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day. Alternatively, you can follow our Twitter account at SF Parking Alerts to be notified when there is a street cleaning holiday in San Francisco.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Thankfully, on President's Day, the city of San Francisco is going to reward you with a ticket-free day of parking, sort of. The only holidays where parking meters aren't enforced is Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's Day. 17 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Certain city parking regulations are not enforced on national holidays. The City of Los Angeles does not have authority to waive state parking laws. If one of the national holidays falls on a Saturday, it will be observed by the city on a Friday. If it falls on a Sunday, it will be observed by the city on a Monday.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.